Hey Jake, I accidentally recorded a 5 minute video and I wasn't recording, so or my mic wasn't working. Um, I wanted to show you the gas tank designs just quickly. Uh, Working on this a little yesterday and today. Let's talk about the gas tank number one. I just want to show it to you. This one was kind of tricky because of how the dimensions are kind of crazy, but what I did was is it's made of 5052 dash H32 aluminum sheet metal, and it can be laser cut and then bent appropriately, and you will want to send your supplier or whoever's going to build it the top level drawing. In this case I called it GT1-A. um, just to run you through the design really quick. It has this piece, which is bent, and then throwing on the side piece. What I've done is I've put in these tabs, which help the welders line everything up really nice. Um, it is a closed corner weld, so they will just weld over all the seams. And same with this side, throw that side on, and then finally the top piece. And before they were to weld on the top piece, they'd actually get this off the shelf. They call them bungs. This is a 2-inch NPT female adapter, and I believe on your original tanks you had a 2-inch NPT male. So if you wanted to make this, this is what the supplier will give you. If you want a male thread to be up here of 2-inch NPT, then what you would do is you would go on McMaster-Carr, and I can direct you. It's a 2-inch NPT. They call them nipples made out of aluminum, and that would be the male uh, thread up there. Um, What I was actually looking at is this piece, which is on McMaster-Carr. This is a cap, and it has a 2-inch MPT. You could thread that on, and you could have a nice cap here. The thing I don't like about this one is it's $60. So what I did is I just went online and looked up 2-inch MPT gas caps, and this is a nice looking one for 20 bucks. I really like this. The biggest question I have on the gas tanks, and this is something I need to know before I send you over the files, is where is the output? Um, I'm not sure where the output of the gasoline goes. I mean, I I feel like, well, I'll just wait to hear back from you, because if I need to put another weld-in bung down here for the output of the gas, please let me know. And that's true. That's a question I have on both tanks. Um, But let me just go ahead and show you what the top level drawing looks like. So the top level drawing has your bill of materials right down here in the bottom left. It tells you GTO1 through GT1 dash triple 004, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then this note here is a weld call out, and it says C note 2, and that's saying required at every joining seam. And then finally note 3 on this one, this is actually a far side weld, so this will occur on the inside of the gas tank. And um, I mentioned that here in note 3. Finally, note 4 I have is before shipping, a leak check should be conducted to ensure an airtight seal. This should be done by applying a positive pressure to the tank and performing a leak down check. So obviously that's going to be very critical to you, so a supplier doesn't provide you a tank with any leaks at all. Um, and then on the second page, I have some rough overall dimensions that you could hold the supplier to make sure they meet this. All right, jumping over to gas tank number 2. Same type of situation here. This one, let me need to hide that. Um, this is actually composed of only two parts. Well, three if you include the bung. But this, just a simple bend here. I got a few tab openings to assist the person welding with alignment. And then they'll throw this top piece on here, which looks like this. Simple bend for fabricators. They throw those on, line up this tab there. This tab makes sure that it doesn't fall down while they're welding. This tab on the front. So this fit in nice and tight. This is a little bit different of a weld. This is an open corner weld. Well, here it's a closed corner weld up the side here, and then it turns into an open corner weld where they use their filler rod to fill this in and follow that all the way down to, once again, a closed corner weld at the bottom. Same question here with the output port. Same comment. I like that one gas cap online. It's 20 bucks. But that's all for the gas tanks. And then I went in and I will send you the 6 drawings you requested. Here are the 6 drawings with the adjusted lengths. I'll send that over to you now. Thanks for the work. I appreciate it. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.